thought I came to Madrid for the sights. But what I tasted changed everything. Today, we're in full discovery mode. No guides, no group, and no expectations. Just 5 spots, 5 bites, 5 stories.
We are in for our food crawl.
Our first crawl in Madrid. We have about a 3.5-hour crawl, place that we actually like. Chosen the old-fashioned way, gut instinct and Google Maps. We thought about joining a company food tour, but after a few of those, let's just say I'm still recovering from the time they served me sheep's head and called it memorable. But this time, we mapped our own. From cinnamon rolls to century-old prawns, this is how we tasted Madrid. First stop, Pepa y Josefa. We grabbed tostas, crusty bread, ripe tomato, thick-cut jamon, all dripping in olive oil, and vermouth on tap. Yep, you heard it right, on tap. With an orange peel and olive. Bitter, herbal, bright. You sit for one thing and somehow stay longer than you're meant to. This place didn't try to impress. It didn't have to. Next up, sugar. If Willy Wonka moved to Madrid and got serious about brunch, voila, you have MadRolls. Sticky cinnamon roll, crispy pastel de nata, Portugal's custard tart, kissed with a fire on top. You could get matcha glaze, vegan twists, espresso pairings, but we went the simple route, just to keep it traditional. Then came the soul stop, Bodega El Mano. Open since 1927, and it still feels like it. Potatoes bravas, crispy with that smoky paprika kick. Croquetas that barely held together. Pork belly that barely needed teeth. And of course, sangria. Cold and confident. You don't eat here. You join the rhythm. You sip, and the city breathes through you. La Casa de Abuelo, since 1906. You can feel the century in every plate. Gambas al ajillo, red prawns, olive oil, garlic. No frills, no mercy. Still hissing when they hit the table.
Garlic butter? Butter? Definitely butter.
Sweet wine on the side, fermented in-house. Smooth, deep, makes the garlic taste like poetry. One dish, 4 ingredients, and 100 years of knowing better. Our last stop was Mercado de San Miguel, a cathedral of chaos, iron, glass, global flavors under one roof. We kept it light. Spring rolls from a fusion stall.
I wish the outside was a little crispier.
What is it?
Vegetable spring roll.
churros dipped in chocolate, so thick it defied physics. The vendor looked at us and smiled, asked us, "Do you want extra sugar?" Apparently churros here don't come with sugar, but they can spot Americans a mile away. So yeah, we took the sugar and didn't regret it for 1 second. But geez, a cup of chocolate. I mean, you know what they say, when in Madrid.
All the spots, what would you say is your favorite?
The Bodega El Mano, the one with the croquettes.
That was probably the best one.
My favorite was the croquetas.
I liked all of it. My battery's about to die, but I would say croquetas and the sangria was probably the best one that we had. And all the garlic shrimp was actually really good too. There's just too many places to try. This is just the beginning. Tomorrow we're on to Sevilla, so we'll see you guys then.
Signing out. The typical Nicole.
Through garlic, sweetness, and sangria, Madrid told its story, one bite at a time. So where should we let our cravings take us next? Drop a city, bring your appetite. We've got some more stories to taste.